If you ask physicists, is the quantum field in and around us, in and around us, the answer is yes. The space around us and in us is the quantum field. Quantum field theory is a fundamental theory of physics that proposes that all elementary particles are excitations of quantum fields. These fields permeate all of space and time, and they're responsible for all of the forces and interactions between particles. The virtual particles in the quantum field interact with each other and with so-called real particles, giving rise to forces and interactions that we observe as the universe. So, for example, the electrical force between two electrons is caused by the exchange of virtual photons. The quantum field is not just in space around us, but also inside us. Our bodies are, after all, made up of atoms, which in turn are made of subatomic particles such as electrons, protons, neutrons, and these subatomic particles are excitations of the quantum field. So, in a very real sense, we are all made of quantum fields. The quantum field is the fundamental fabric of the universe, and it is responsible for everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. So now try this experiment. Okay, I'm holding my hand here. Okay, in the space between my fingers is the quantum field. Okay, and this field is connected to intergalactic space, pervades all of space-time. But in the fingers themselves is the quantum field as well, appearing as these fingers and appearing as this coat and this shirt and every object in the universe. So what are these objects that we see perceptually as solid, three-dimensional location in space-time? Of course, biological organisms don't have a fixed location, they move around, but even other objects are buffeted by the forces of nature. So let's say that this is the quantum field, this is the quantum field, and this is also the quantum field, but they appear different, right? Now, here is what the spiritual traditions of Shaivism and Vedanta say. They say that the appearance of what we call classical objects or physical objects is just that. It is the appearance that the quantum field takes as this. So this takes the appearance of this and all this, everything else. But this and this and this is, of course, subject to the laws of thermodynamics. So all this, and all this is in time. And this is not in time. Okay. So what we call the body mind here and all the objects entangled with it as a unified process are in time. But this is not in time. And this is the real you, the Akashic field, which, as I've explained before, is the consciousness field that actually even encodes memories in superposition before they actualize as this. This is a particular memory, subatomic or whatever. And, in Vedanta, that would be called, this is the karmic manifestation of this. So anytime you feel distressed, all you have to do is shift your identity from this, the body-mind, which is appearing as the classical field, but is quantum field, and shift your awareness to this, which is timeless. This manifests as this, but this is independent of this manifestation, because this is the timeless appearing as time-bound. This is the timeless as appearing time bound, in the theater of space time and causality. So you are this eternally and timelessly, and this, and all this as a modified expression of the timeless as space time causality here. Space time causality appears in the theater of what we call the physical world. But this is the author of that. We are this eternally and this in time. And this recycles as this and also evolves from microbe to, from microbes, plants, animals, primates, humans. But ultimately, this is Atman Brahman, and this is Mano Buddhi Ahankar. Atman Brahman, Jiva. Mano Buddhi Ahankar. Mano means mind, intellect, and ego. But this is also prana and physical reality. So matter and energy, mind, body, intellect, ego, and this is the source of all that. Shift your attention to this, and you're instantly free of this. All our troubles are because we identify with this instead of knowing that this is a temporary manifestation of this, all that is. Let me know what you think, if this is useful practically, because this is who we are eternally and now. This is always now. This is in time. And reminding you again to check out the two courses, Peace is the Way Facilitator and Spiritual Leader, coming from the level of the soul of leadership. And check out the links here. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.